Hi everyone, only 6 months are remaining for CAT exam and this is the time where every aspirant gets serious for their CAT preparation. We have prepared an holistic roadmap for you so that you can start your preparation right from the month of June. So let's get started. For the month of June and July, try to focus in building basics for all 3 sections in these 2 months. Try to do level 1 and level 2 questions in quant. For VARC, try to increase your reading speed by practicing lots of RC, and you can also practice critical reasoning questions from GMAT official guide. For DILR, try to do basic puzzles and also increasing your speed in solving the sets. In the month of June and July, you should give as many sectional tests as you can and also chapter-wise tests so that you can judge where you stand in each chapter. For the month of August, you will focus on solving advanced level questions. These would be the type of questions that will actually come in CAT exam. So you can try to use more and more question papers from past years. These questions will tell you the type of questions and the difficulty level that comes in the exam. For the month of August, you will solely focus on solving advanced level questions. Focus on improving your speed while solving DILR sets and reading comprehension, and try to time yourself when you solve quant questions. In the month of September and October, you should solely dedicate your time in solving as many mocks as you can and analyzing them. Utilize this time to revise your fundamentals and get through with the difficulty level of the questions. You can give at least 20 mocks in these 2 months. That's it for this video. We'll be coming up with more such content. Do subscribe and like and share to Career 360's YouTube channel.